Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Trend Juice Co., your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the top 7 healthiest foods you should be adding to your diet right now. These powerhouse foods are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that can help you feel your best, boost your energy, and even support weight loss. Let's get started. Leafy greens. First up, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and fiber. They're low in calories but high in nutrients, making them perfect for weight loss and overall health. Add them to your salads, smoothies, or saute them as a side dish. Berries. Next, we have berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These little gems are antioxidant powerhouses, helping to fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. They're also high in fiber, which keeps you full and supports healthy digestion. Sprinkle them on your yogurt or enjoy them as a sweet snack. Nuts and seeds. Don't overlook nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're great for heart health and can help curb cravings. Just remember to stick to a small handful that are nutrient-dense but calorie-rich. Fatty fish. Number 4 is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. They're also a great source of high-quality protein. Aim to eat fatty fish twice a week for maximum benefits. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice are next on our list. Unlike refined grains, whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full longer. They're also packed with B vitamins, which are essential for energy production. Avocados. Who doesn't love avocados? This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart. Avocados are also rich in potassium, fiber, and vitamins E and C. Spread it on toast, add it to salads, or blend it into a smoothie for a nutrient boost. Legumes. Last but not least, legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. These plant-based proteins are high in fiber, iron, and folate. They're incredibly versatile and can be added to soups, salads, or even made into delicious dips like hummus. Plus, they're budget-friendly. And there you have it, the top 7 healthiest foods to supercharge your diet. Incorporating these foods into your meals can help you feel more energized, support your weight loss goals, and improve your overall health. Which one of these is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Trend Juice Co. and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.